Hello everyone. Welcome to Jess Quick News Broadcast, brought to you by Huxtello iTech Solutions. I'm Jess, here with the latest update on the revocation of appointments and recruitment of teaching and non-teaching staffs in the Ghana Education Service. Let's dive straight into today's news. Recently, concerns have been raised regarding the appointment and recruitment of teaching and non-teaching staff under the previous government. Many believe that these appointments were made too late in the administration and should be revoked. Others argue that these individuals, as Ghanaians, deserve to keep their jobs to avoid creating a national crisis. The debate has been ongoing, but now, the Ghana Education Service, under the Ministry of Education, has made an official statement on the matter. According to a letter from the Office of the President, dated the 10th of February 2025 with reference No. SCR, DA, 8585-01-A. All teaching and non-teaching staff who have not yet been placed on payroll will have their appointments revoked with immediate effect following a directive from the Chief of Staff. Additionally, all regional, district, municipal, and metropolitan directors have been instructed to strictly adhere to this directive. Further directives will be communicated when necessary. This decision has left many affected individuals in distress. Some innocent Ghanaian citizens, who have worked hard for years to secure their positions, now face an uncertain future through no fault of their own. The biggest question remains: what happens next? Will there be an alternative solution for those affected? Will the government reconsider its stance? This is a developing story, and we'll keep you updated on any further directives from the Ghana Education Service. What are your thoughts on this issue? Should the government reverse this decision or uphold it? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jess Quick News Broadcast for timely updates.